Beautiful. Doing good. How you doing?
Doing great. You have any questions about the car?
Yeah. Is there like different trims or lines on it? Okay.
So the way it works, we have the Sport one and the level luxury one.
Okay.
And it's purely cosmetic based on what kind of look you like. The Sport one is going to have gloss black around the windows, body colored door handles, darker accents on the lower.
So this is a Sport one?
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
And then sportier looking wheels as well as different texture design up front.
Okay.
The luxury is going to be more classic Cadillac look. It's going to have chrome around the windows, a little chrome on the door handles at the top,
okay.
Chrome at the bottom, rocker moldings, and then different design in the front grille. But
okay.
other than that, same practicality, same design, same features. The main step from the level one is just the level two. Level 2 is going to give you the massaging seats, going to give you the upgraded charging module. You get access to a rear, a second row executive seating package, which basically turns that second row into a world-class experience.
Okay.
You get massaging seats with the second row. You get more leg room.
Okay.
I will say for someone, if you're looking to have this car for a family, I wouldn't recommend that package.
Got it.
Because it does reduce the amount of the third row space, but it truly prioritizes the second row, so that turns it into a car to be chauffeured.
Yeah.
What?
No, it's like completely sleek.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but I normally do like more Harley and motorcycle stuff, but car show stuff.
There's a screen back here in the back seat, in the middle console.
Oh, yeah, yes.
So, as far as what trim levels can you get?
Thank you.
No, let's go.
Alright, I'm sneaking behind you. Thank you. I'm done. No, I already did. Thank you. Yeah, that's okay. Okay. You done?
Yeah, I mean, I wanted to look at it, but it's so many people I can't even get in there.
I'll just go hop in when this guy gets done.
The color's beautiful.
Yeah. It's very different. It's got a watery.
And with that, the wheel size.
Yeah.
It's like it has this curvedness to it.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
I got it from one of the shops that sell
That was the special one. Miami, right? It's a sick Mommy, look at the wheels. It's more than half your height.
133. 133, not bad.
Yeah, for this.
Compared to the one.
This is nice.
You ready? Here, I'll switch with you. I just want to
like these speakers.
Windows very nice. This interior is pretty slick.
So this is the regular Chartman, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is a luxury premium.
Yeah, I just want to see. Things that I do like about this back seat compared to some of like these.
Let me go sit in the passenger.
Sorry.
Oh, there's no.
For taller people. Because that's me, my back. I always got to sit. I can if you want me to. Yeah, I don't mind. Oh, yeah. I got to get one now.
Now, how hard is it to get back there?
Yeah. Oh, this one. There we go. Not too bad. Just got to know what you're doing. Got to hold my head. There we go.
It's more room than that IQ, for sure.
You got big feet? I don't know. Okay, yeah, that's
This is forward a lot.
Yeah, it is way
yeah,
forward.
somebody might have to push it back.
Don't squish him though.
You're fine. I'm all right. We can try it out. Hey,
How
will you
much
push
room
this
do you
back?
have?
Right now, I'm good with this. I can slide. You can
We're
see
doing the big boy theory in the back seat.
Will you slide this back? Let's see how.
Here, it's the lever there on the side. Yeah. No, the other one.
I think it's the first one. Yeah, there.
It's the
There you
front.
go.
Oh.
There you
How
go.
are you?
I'm okay. I can make it work.
Can you breathe?
My knees are heavy.
Yeah.
He can make it work for a dinner ride, but not for a road
But you
trip.
know, for
No,
this,
right? Yeah.
but for as big as I am, the fact that I can actually
That's true,
fit
yeah.
back here,
We're not gonna put the 6-foot guy in back.
Yeah,
exactly.
right.
But somebody, 5'8", that'd be
Yeah,
fine.
yeah. The screen just it like
It's
forces
not bad for this little road. I
focus.
can actually ride back.
So it takes over the whole front, which makes everything just appear more sleek.
That's
Yeah.
all this is.
Now I will say, I don't know if I can't remember if the 25 has it, but on the BMW, I don't have to touch the screen at all. So I just talk to it.
Yes.
So I never have to worry about really cleaning the screen that much. But I don't remember if this one had it or not.
Yeah, I don't know if that does.
I feel it like thrive.
Oh, the whole. Okay. I like
Okay,
this.
that's it. Oh, okay.
Ron, we need her to do some film with you so y'all can test all these seats in all these cars.
There's a way to let yourself
Let's
out.
let you out. Yeah.
That's a
How
good
would
question. I don't see anything that was...
Here, pull this.
There's something else.
Oh, okay, yeah, maybe this one.
Pull that.
There we go. Yep.
There,
That's
so
it.
you can let.
That's
okay.
the only downside about the luxury premium compared to like the platinum and the sport platinum
What's that?
is that they have the auto
Oh, you
on the seats.
Oh, okay.
The electric?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
It's a little hard for a big guy to get out of here, though. Oh, you're welcome. No problem. Yeah, it ties it in. Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's all right. I still wouldn't mind black.
All black, exactly.
I prefer to do that. Why they do that?
Oh my god.
They tried to hurt you with that one.
Bro, that's spectrum.
What are you talking about?
So this is